Good evening, folks. Here is a third daily work stream. I'm currently working on refactoring this whole blob of work I'm doing. And I'm kind of in the middle of it. I did a couple of these earlier in the day. Then I got pulled away, and now I'm getting back to it. I am creating I'm adopting some architecture I've worked on before to the existing code base of Converse. Converse is an open source messaging application built on the XMTP protocol. And this is the first feature we're introducing this architecture to. And things are a little bit complicated, so progress is slow but steady. And so I'm just going to get into it. So let's see. We will have only on the describe block here. Yeah, so we've got a green test here for should transition to user was a member prior to group. A member prior to whatever the hell I'm saying. Prior. Where's that? User was a member prior of group link already. Whatever that means. So I'm probably a little sleep deprived here. But we're going to change all of these to user was already a member of group prior to clicking join link. I don't know, the worst state name ever, but descriptive. We'll add some color there. And cursor. Description. And the user was already a member of the group before the join request. Nope, before the deep link was clicked. In this case, compare. I hate when this happens. I hate it. No. These are gonna be all the thumbnails. This is me like, I don't ever mean to do that. It's a little, you can't drag, oh no. Oh god. Okay. Let's go here. User was a member prior of group prior to clicking join link. Okay, if I do that one more time, let go. There we go. You kind of need to fling it. Okay. Save those. Oops. User was a member of group prior to clicking join link. Well, that's how good cursor is versus, or I guess just how good users member prior. Okay, now I'm confused. User was already a member prior. Navigate the group screen. We really don't want entry here. We want on user dot events did tap open conversation. And then this. I need to do actions. There we go. All right, so it gives them the option to click there. And then actor.send, gga.send, type, expected number of calls 1, received number of calls 0, get to group screen, new group, new group. What's the context look like here? Let's see. 1 second. All right, resuming. Got to look at the context here. What is actually here? Join group actor dot get snapshot of the value to context. Let's see, what are we looking at? New group. It's like 199 degrees. Topic 1, 2, 3. Let's see. User's already member. Huh? Oh. There we go. I don't really know if type final is like, I don't know if it's super useful here. Okay, cool. So, bloop, bloop, bloop. Go through and add comments to this later. Great. Surrounding those. Don't need a comma anymore. Don't need 2 commas. Okay. This is getting pretty big. Not a huge fan. Once I remove the logging, though, it'll get smaller. Okay, so that works. Now this does not work. So why doesn't this work? Because we're using this fixture. So the solution is to create another fixture. User is new to group. Okay, so the group ID, super cool, awesome group, ABC 1456. And I'm going to go back to the fixture fetch groups. I'm going to make sure that this is const. This is where I can use cursor a little bit. Hate this theme. We're going to go white. Ooh, that's rude to people. Nobody's watching. Who cares? Okay. Client here. Yep, user already a member fixture. User already a member fixture. Yep. Please extract the group ID that is common and declare that at the top of this function as a constant and use it in the different fixtures to indicate to readers of the code that this is kind of the key ingredient behind this feature. Looks good to me. Already was a member of. Nice. Was a member of. 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 AI is so fun sometimes. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Now no. Group ID 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you. And then boom, boom. Let's see, fixture. Yeah. Okay. So attempt to join group. And then fixture fetch group. Fixture fetch groups by account. So this is the one. This gets a little tricky because I need to actually change this midstream. Fixture allow group. Async allow group props. Return group client. Okay. So fixture fetch groups by account. I can do this one of a couple ways. I'm going to dynamically do this through the test, but basically, I need to go into the test here. What is this? This can't possibly be right. Okay. Stop being penned. Stop being penned. Don't save this. Don't save that. Go to test here. Go to the group invite client over there. Don't need to worry about these. Okay, so yes, okay. So VS Code just gets out of date. That's fine. Okay, so then we're going to use this fixture user user is new to group. Okay. This is irrelevant. Irrelevant. And this is irrelevant. Okay, so we'll bring up the machine here. We will collapse that, collapse that, collapse that, collapse that. Okay, so we're gonna methodically go through this here and not spaz. We're new to a group. Newly joined group. So if we're in determining newly joined group, we need to go let's see. It would be really useful if I had the inspector working. I'll have to get that working soon. It is hard to debug these. Okay, so determining newly joined group. And what state are we going to? Determining newly joined group. If we're not in providing user consent, I don't see how that could possibly happen. Time to look at the chart. Open into new window. Let's see. Oh. Okay, so loading group metadata. What's happening here? Oh boy. Ugh. Can I hide this stuff? Nope. I can kind of hide this though. Okay. Boom. Boom. What's going on down here? Boom. Boom. Okay. Loading initially joined groups. Let's pull up the chart with WebStorm. I need to be able to look at it and visualize it. This is just a hairy piece of logic. Okay, so we need to get that, okay. Loading initially joined groups. What's this other thing that loading initially joined groups, determining groups joined? Save maybe new group. We should call this invited group. Whoops. Okay. Loading group invite metadata. When we're done doing that, okay, loading initially joined groups. I'm done. We're gonna save. I'm gonna go ahead in there and we'll start the next boring debugging stream momentarily.